So if you're watching this from the side of the road right now, you may already know what a ball joint is. Hey YouTube, Jay Van Gordon here, and this is another really quick product review. All right guys, so this is a very simple kit. It just comprises of 2 ball joints and the necessary hardware that you're gonna need. Let's be honest here, we're no strangers to ball joints. The ball joints mount on the outer ends of your lower control arms. In this case, in a Mark 7, we do have the availability to replace them separately. A lot of control arms will actually incorporate the ball joint into the control arm. These are serviced separately. So it might save you some money over the long run. Some of the common symptoms that you're gonna wanna look out for, especially when talking about ball joints, is any type of looseness in your suspension or in your steering wheel. If your car is just feeling loose, not as tight as it used to be around corners, really good idea to just pop your car up in the air or on jack stands. And you could literally check for play with a pry bar. Really easy to notice. In addition to actual ball wear, where you could just pop this joint in and out and feel it, something else to look out for, if you're underneath the car and you notice any type of grease or like a ripped boot, also another good indication to replace it. The reason why is dirt and debris will get inside this joint, and once you start getting water, dirt, and debris, it's gonna also lead to premature failure as well. Typically, you're gonna start to see these fail anywhere after about 50,000 miles. If you're lowered or your suspension's modified in any way, you might wanna check them out sooner, as these will wear prematurely. Really not a bad job to replace these. Literally just need to separate the ball joint or control arm from the steering knuckle. Back out these 3 nuts here and the top nuts on the ball joint. Do both sides, you're probably looking at 2.5 hours tops. Really simple install, very straightforward. These ball joints that we have here, these are OE Lemforder. This is what Volkswagen uses from the factory. So when you purchase this kit, not only are you getting the same product that you get from the Volkswagen parts counter, but you're getting a different price. In this case, a lower price. All right guys, this has been another really quick product review. If you liked what you saw, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, comment in the box below. Thank you.